Helpful tips to break into the affiliate marketing business. Imagine if there was some magical resource that could grant your every wish when it comes to affiliate marketing and increase your income tenfold. Unfortunately, no such thing exists, however, you have come to probably the second best option to that. Watch this video and enjoy these smart tips. An effective approach to reaching your customers is to participate in a number of related affiliate programs that target the same customer base. Implementing several affiliate programs that are related gives your target audience a greater selection of products to choose from. A lot of affiliate marketing is touch and go, so you have to remember, never to be set on any one formula or any one method. You will want to experiment with different banners, different content, different text, and other methods to see which ones works best for you and your overall sales numbers. Look for affiliate programs that offer high commission rates. Some programs offer 100% or higher commission on the products they sell through you. Don't dismiss items like this as scams. These programs end up making more money through the follow-up sales, so it's worth it to them to pay out high commissions in order to gain a new customer for the long term. Don't try to disguise your affiliate links as something else. Be open and honest about your affiliations. Visitors to your site will be more likely to follow the links if they know they aren't being tricked into doing so. Building an honest relationship with people is the best approach to a successful campaign. In conclusion, you know that there is no magic hat that you can use to pull out all the right answers to your affiliate marketing questions. However, as promised, the tips included in this video should be the next best thing. Go ahead and try out what we have suggested and you should enjoy better results. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.